Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to see how to calculate the BMI. BMI stands for body mass index, and the formula is we divide weight and height in meters square. So let's take a weight of 72 kilogram and the height is 180 centimeter. So what we are going to do, we are first going to convert this 180 into meters. So to convert, we are going to divide this one by 100. So 180 divided by 100. So what are we going to get? So 180 divided by 100, we get 1.8 meters. 1.8 meters. Remember, square, we are going to square this one. So to square, we are going to multiply 1.8 by 1.8. So what will we get? Times 1.8. So the answer is 3.24 meters. So what we are going to do, we are going to now divide this weight by the meter square which we got. So 72 divided by 3.24 meters. This is kilogram, this is meter square. So this one is equal to, let's calculate, 72 divided by 3.24 is equal to 22.2 kilogram per meters square. So this is our BMI. That is all how we can calculate the BMI. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.